Okay, let's look at this question. We would like to convert this number here, 445 million. So it's 445,000,000 to scientific notation. That's the first part of the question. Now, scientific notation requires that the digit to the left of the decimal, as it shows here, must be a digit from 1 to 9. In this case, the number must be expressed as follows. So it would be 4.45. The decimal is right behind the last zero. Okay, the decimal is indeed right there. So if you were to count the places to move over to the left, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll go 8 spaces to the left. All right, so that is the reason why this exponent is a positive 8, because this exponent will bring it back this way 8 places. All right, now that is a way to reason it. That's the thought process behind it. But it's easier if you just use the calculator. Now, to do the question with your calculator to express the number that we have up here, 445 million, we need to put the calculator into the scientific mode. Now to do so, we follow this sequence of steps right here. We click on Shift and then we click on this button that has mode and setup. We click there and then we have a choice for scientific, which is SCI, and that is the number 7. So to activate it, we have to click on the number 7, and there it says scientific 0 to 9. Now it's asking for how many digits you wish. So in this case, we would like to have 3 digits. Normally you would say 3 digits. So we would click on the 3 as this 3 indicates right here. Okay, this is the 3. And this was the 7 to activate this part here to get it into scientific notation. All right, so if we put input 3, then we see sci math in the top, at the top of the display. Now then we enter the number. So the number is 445,000,000. And then we press equal as it indicates right there. And there we are, we have the answer, 4.45 by 10 to the 8th. And that is the correct answer. All right, now if we wish to get engineering notation, it's very simple. All you do is you go here and you click on this button that says ENG as it's indicated right here. We go and we click on engineering and we get 445 by 10 to the 6th. Now, as it says here, if this were, say, a quantity such as ohms and we have 10 to the 6th, then we would have mega ohms or mega ohms. All right, because this engineering notation goes in exponents of 3. So you would have things like 10 to the 3, 10 to the 6, 10 to the 9. But you don't have, as it does with the scientific, you do not have something like 4.45 by 10 to the 8th. So what happened here is that it went down. So it went from 8 to 6. So in so doing, the decimal moved 2 places to the right. And so that is why the result is 445 times 10 to the 6th. Okay, so that is how engineering and the scientific notation is executed on your